Now let's see the composition between a function and its inverse. It says that we have to basically find f inverse of -1 first, and f of x is given to us. So first we need to find f inverse of x and then input -1. And then we have to verify that f of f inverse of x and f inverse of f of x is equal to x. Okay? Now, we did this before, but just to recap that, to find the inverse of f of x, first you write down f of x because f of x is equal to y as well. So you write down y is equal to -2x plus 8. And then basically you isolate x. So once you isolate x on the left hand side, you get x is equal to 8y minus 8 minus y over 2. Okay? And then you basically, this x here is basically f inverse of y, right? Because if y is equal to f of x, then f inverse of x is equal to f inverse of y is equal to x, right? So this x can be equated to f inverse of y. So f inverse of y is equal to 8 minus y by 2. But we have to find f inverse of x. So instead of y, you input x. So now this y is replaced with x. Okay, so now that you have f inverse of x, you can find f inverse of -1 by inputting -1 in place of this x. Right? So you input x is equal to -1 over here. Once you do that, you get 9 by 2. So f inverse of -1 is equal to 9 by 2. Now, what did we have to find? We had to prove that f of f inverse of x is equal to f inverse of f of x, which is equal to x, right? So first let's prove that f of f inverse of x is equal to x, and then we'll prove f inverse of f of x after this. Okay, so if you input f of f inverse of x, you get f of 8 minus x by 2, right? Because f inverse of x was equal to 8 minus x by 2. So now you have to input 8 minus x by 2 in the original f of x function. And what was that equal to? If you remember, f of x was equal to minus 2x plus 8. So instead of this x now, you get f inverse of x. So now you have -2 into 8 minus x by 2 plus 8. So that equates to x, right? Because you can cancel out this 2 and this 2, and then multiply this minus sign with 8 minus x, so you get -8 plus x, and then you can cancel out this -8 and this +8, so you get x. Now, the other part. We need to prove that this f inverse of f of x is also equal to x, right? So, what was f inverse of x? F inverse of x was equal to 8 minus x by 2. So f inverse of f of x is equal to f inverse of -2x plus 8, because f of x is equal to -2x plus 8. So now in place of this x over here, you input -2x plus 8, right? So once you multiply this negative sign with this entire bracket, you get 8 plus 2x minus 8. You can cancel out this positive 8 and this negative 8. That gives you 2x over 2. You can cancel out this 2 and this 2, and that leaves you with x. So now you've proven that f of f inverse of x is equal to x, and f inverse of f of x is also equal to x.